Okay, I hope this is working. Again, I'm Mr. Burkhart, and I'm here to make a video to show you how to do this thing we did in class today with this block. That one right there. Let me grab a ruler. All right, I walked off. So, what I'm asking you to do is practice making some multi-view drawings so that you can design a car for our project next week and have a little bit of practice using this engineering technical skill of multi-view drawing. So here's a widget that I made for you to practice on. So this widget is 6.5 centimeters this way and 8 centimeters this way. And so what I did was I just I made some marks in my paper, make a drawing of this. That should do it. I'm going to use pen so that you can see it, but you should use pencil so that you can erase it. And let me see, right about here then. So that's the footprint for the top view of this widget. And I just want to make sure everything's showing up on the camera. And that's not what it looks like. It looks like this. So I want to make sure we put everything on here. If this is 11, and about right here. All right, and so the front kind of cuts down and goes downhill about right here. And then right around here, there's a circle. It looks like that. That's what the top view looks like. See, I want you to draw that. And then I want you to show me what the front looks like over here. So we're going to do the front view over here. I'm going to take my pencil and just draw some guiding lines because I want, so this line, this goes over like this, it lines up like that, and this line lines up like that. And so this needs to slide over so the width of this block is the same, and these drawings should line up perfectly like this. So we're going to put this here, and let's see, make a mark here and here, and it's about 3.5 tall, like that. So you would measure that 3.5 centimeters. You can do these in inches as well. A lot of people do in America. The centimeters work better for this type of graph paper though. And so this was way too dark here. That was supposed to be a guiding line, and I kind of got a little crazy on that and made those too dark. And so here is what the front of it looks like. Right. And I'll just ink that over so it's nice and dark so you can see it. So that's what the front looks like right there. And now we want to do the side view up here. So we're going to bring the side view up here. And so this should be the same width. So again, I'm going to take my pencil, and this time maybe we'll put in some light pencil marks right here, right here. And now my side view is going to line up. It's kind of hard to get this under the camera. Line up and go right up here into this box like that. All right, so I'm just going to make some marks here. I can make one here. I can make one here. Make one here. And so about right here. So I'm going to draw in my side view. There are the dimensions if you need them. 3.5 and 11. There just definitely seems to be a lag on what I'm seeing on the monitor, and my voice seems to be ahead of what's happening under the cameras. Not really sure what we're going to do about that. All right, so those are the three technical views, and you could dimension them. You could say this was 6.5 centimeters. That means this over here is also 6.5 centimeters. So this would be 3.5 centimeters here. This is 8 centimeters. And this here is 3. And so this is also 8 here. Well, this is also 11. I'm sorry. 8 and 3 is 11. And then this would be 8. So this one here is 5. I'm not sure that it says 5 on it. All right, the last thing we want to do is we want to kind of show a three-dimensional view of this using this isometric paper. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to pick a corner here, and I'm going to go back. I'm actually going to try to do this the right way for a change. Go back, and go like this. So now I've got the top, right? I've got this corner right here. So that's my top. So let's throw a circle in there because that circle's so important to this widget. So the front of it, though, so normally, I told you before to stay on the lines. Well, this widget doesn't work for staying on the lines. We have this front end needs to look like it's sticking out. So actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fumble around here for a minute. If I stayed on the lines, it would look like this. That'd be wrong. So I'm actually just going to go out like this, I think. Yeah, there we go. So that looks a little better. And then this will come back, and that will be the side. So something like that. That's probably not great, but it's not super duper, but it does kind of give an idea of what this thing looks like. And that is what I'm asking you to do for this practice widget. Thank you.